that shit's bad.
How early is it?
Actually, it's not that late.
Not that late.
It's not that early.
It's a shitty ass news. About that bitch
Feel
at
good?
Walmart. I can't
You better watch out with my nose, bro.
Oh, shit. Now we got some buddies out here. Shit.
You need to focus on it. No, dude. I know, bro.
So this is your pickup right here, right?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Some slight. Algo leve.
Old back, buddy. You got the Hellcat killer? She here. He might not be on YouTube, so he's probably shy.
Slow, bro.
Slow. She. Out here detailing this, this little daily. Then we got the exotic out here. Hey, so how do you feel now? What time is it? Oh, we got the rollie? Oh.
It's like 9:30. It feels a little late, low key.
Yeah?
I feel like we started this earlier usually.
Heck yeah.
Still cars pulling out.
Pretty good amount of cars, you think?
Yeah, that's bad. For it raining all day yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Shit, dang, you trying to new shirts out too?
DNS, graphic tee designs.
Oh.
I need to start doing that too.
Did you start doing it?
Yeah. That's all I wear now is graphic tees.
Yeah, that's all everyone wears too, though. Shit. We got the twins. They just went to go register. And then me and Joseph are twins too. What the hell?
Got the same rims.
Got the same wheels. She. He rocks them a little better though, cause he got new tires. To the other side.
Yeah, y'all need to stand back and get a picture of all these trucks in front of the pavilion. Like, this is an awesome picture.
Yeah.
Standing back there.
What do you think? What do you think? What are you doing? And rocking that new shirt too. Sheesh.
Why is it flat?
I don't know.
Dude.
Damn! What do you think about this going in? Is this your year?
Huh?
Are you gonna make a comeback
Next year.
next year?
Yeah, next year. Come back.
My brother did you dirty, huh?
Hi, yeah.
Everyone likes your car already, dude. They're like,
Bro.
man,
Bro.
dude, I feel famous, bro.
Dude, it looks like shit from this side, bro. It's all fucking dirty.
Alright, what's wrong with it? Or what?
Where I had to take off a piece of my bumper.
I want to look at this guy's headline.
Oh, I see. This is Isaiah. What do you think? What do you think about the car show?
It's pretty badass, you know?
Yeah, you like it?
First car show?
Heck yeah. You never put your truck in here?
No, it's the first car show.
You never put your truck in here, bro? Alone?
If I get another truck, I'll get it.
Pull back there. Somebody's Hot Wheel? Why are you cheesing so hard, dude?
You need to stop redlining it like that. You're a fucking little.
Okay.
They're not meant to be.
He said, "Fuck you." I think you need to. You see what you started?
I did earlier, bro. I almost fucked it up.
Why? Yeah, what'd you do? You went like you're like in reverse and shit. What would you do?
Because I was trying to get it to stop. I thought if I would have reversed, it would have took my RPM back down. Dude, because like I started the car and it was still kind of cold. He told me to rev it, so I fucking revved it just a little bit, and it fucking went all the way to redline. It was just sitting there going like, I was like, oh fuck. So I hurried up and turned it off. I reversed.
I seen the lights go reverse. I was like, what the fuck? And he went forward. I was like, what the fuck?
Because usually that's what I do. Like if it does, I'll put it in reverse and fix it. But it hasn't done that in a while. Caleb, it's your turn to rev.
So what you got done or what?
I know this is pretty much stock.
Stock?
Just the cam.
The combobulator?
Combobulator. This is from O'Reilly's. You know, this is from Dollar General. That one that's on there is like Lee's right here. And that's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it? What about your exhaust?
That's straight pipe.
Yeah? Where'd you get that from?
Stock. It's I made it myself. Nah, I'm not too sure.
Nah, it's clean ride. That's a line. Yeah, you can probably park right here in the parking lot, right? The way those cars are moving. Yeah. Where are they going? They're probably parking right there too. You got new tires? Yeah. And color? And you painted the thing? I didn't know you were coming. Yeah, I know you told me. I was gonna text you, but I was like, nah, you might not come. Oh shit. Yeah. Vamos. Present yourself. Julian Murillo.
Short stack.
What do you think about the car show now? You just pulled up.
Small.
You good on being on YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hoping it gets a little bit bigger.
I'm all dirty though, bro. I ain't changed my shit.
Man, it's alright. The bitch is spinning, no?
Huh?
The bitch is spinning?
Not polished, but they're clean.
It's alright.
They'll manage.
It's alright.
Oh, that was y'all with the Jones?
I need some fuck you money.
There's no flash on, cuz.
Says who?
He's
I got a
licensed.
license and permission. I got permission from the FFA. What is it called? I got permission from the FBI.
Sponsored cold brew.
What's up, fool?
7 brew,
They
baby.
better sponsor shit. They about to come over here.
I came over here to fly my drone because I can't see from over there how low it is. I don't want to hit the trees.
It flies. Fly from the pavilion.
I tried it. Well, I was on the other side of the pavilion.
Who's gonna take me?
I guess I'll walk. I'll go look at the shit.
Oh, fucking.
Have you already looked at those trucks?
No, we haven't. I haven't even gone over there. I'll go with you. Yo, you want to go walkway? I like those cars.
Alright guys, I know you haven't seen me. I've been working the car show. So I gotta go over here with my buddy David. You know what I'm saying? He's about to do burnout. Come on, babe. You mind being on YouTube?
Huh?
You mind being on YouTube?
Oh, nah, you good? All good, brother.
Shit, you gonna do a fat one this year too? You gonna try?
I'm gonna try. Hopefully we don't break. Let's see what happens.
Are those the ones you used last week?
Yeah. Yeah, well, that one is. This one's the one I had. One of the other set. The other one,
You gonna blow yourself?
I might. We'll see what happens. See how it goes. Hopefully we'll have a good turnout.
You were gonna catch it.
I'll be happy as long as I don't break nothing. I'm a little worried.
Why?
It's alright. It's starting to rain, so last year I hurt the differential whenever I did it.
Oh shit.
And I ended up blowing it later on. When I blew it, ended up the drive shaft, blew the drive shaft, blew another drive shaft. And when I did all that, I hurt the transmission, so it's slipping now. Like it does fine as long as I don't get on it a lot, but when I really get on it, it slips. So I'm a little worried, but we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll
I
see
mean,
how
if it sounds like I didn't want to do it, I say let off, but you know it's your choice.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
But it'll be alright though. If I break it though, give me a good excuse to rebuild it and throw a stall in there, because I want to throw a stall in it and that one it was like one. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good.
We'll try to get some videos.
Yeah, cool. Appreciate it, brother. Good to see y'all. See you.
think about the burnouts?
That was the best burnout competition I ever seen in my life.
You should have put your whip up
All right,
there.
at this time, we'd like to thank our sponsors.
I don't want to do it to him.
We have Sonic Drive-In, Napa Auto Parts, Coca Lambro,
That was such
Mitch
fucking
Hall from
bullshit.
Snyder, Dave Snyder, Wilson Motors, Maverick Bank, Production Pump Specialists Incorporated, Big Country Electric, Legacy Fuels, Big O Tires, Stanford Insurance, Miller Family Fuel.
What do you think about the burnouts?
Capital Farm Credit, Nix's Auto,
Pretty good.
the bank,
Hey, next year you're here or what? You're gonna burn out?
Hometown Real Estate.
Next year, Julian says he's gonna burn it
Safety
out.
Plus Leatherwood Cement Body.
We're gonna
Wall
wait next year.
Construction, WS Case Cole, HOST, you're downtown. You're down.
Move it. Let's go.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah. Or Bob Willis. What you think? You know, it's about time. Now fuck the plan, the fence in the middle.
Hey, am I looking like the river again?
If it just dropped. My ass hurts. Are you on the board? Yeah. What are you? Thank you, fake taxi.
Efren Ornelas. Alonzo Hernandez.
Yeah.
Your car, man. Love it.
Oh,
Yeah, get it.
come on! Too much weight! Too much weight!
Oh!